Wrestling and ducks, baseball. Well, it's raining, but they're doing wrestling out. Now they're going outside.
This is getting serious, folks.
And it cuts off. Like it.
They're feeling it.
It's a tamale and it's a hot wiener. Oh, they were doing wrestling, and now I started taping the cut off. It has Goldberg's music. Goldberg. Goldberg. Who's that guy? What's the guy next to the flaming hot dog? I can't tell what that is. Okay, cut off right when
it's not even garbage day, and he's taking out the trash.
Finish it.
Let him
already
get it,
won. Oh, look out from behind. Wrestling and duck baseball, like it.
All the way over there.
Yeah. Ooh, in the face. He's trying to take out the big man.